All right, let's see here.
It's either that or we come all the way back down to 300, one or the other.
The sky's falling?
Yeah. Chicken Little.
Okay, there we go. All right, we are live. Let me get this YouTube stream shared. Horse number 1 today, let's go. I'm with you, Josh. Horse number 1's going to do it, man.
Jeez.
I'll make it win. Don't you worry.
Horse number 1. Yeah, horse number 1's going to be my white horse, man.
All right. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm getting everything pulled up on my end here, and then I'll have my cam up as well. Don't worry. Yeah, everyone's saying horse number 1, ride or die, man. That's the horse.
When it hits, it's going to hit big.
I mean, I might have to bet on it myself. All right. Coming into open here, guys. I think, again, the linchpin today is going to be 23.5. Can we get above 500, or can we do we slam under it? I think we're going to get above it.
Do we take a little shot at the open real quick?
You go ahead. I'm not taking a shot at open. I mean, I should have. I mean, hindsight's 20/20, but I'm not doing it. All right, good morning, everybody.
Ooh, that's some foolery.
Yeah, I mean.
We're in.
Oh, you're already in, just like that, huh?
Yeah, we'll take a little stab, see if it goes anywhere. If it comes slamming
Order
down,
filled.
so be it.
I'll take a little stab with you then, Steve.
It's only money.
I mean, I might as well get sabotage. I've been on a good run.
It's going to happen right here.
Yep.
No bingo bangos
Oh,
for me.
hold
this
on.
morning.
Hold on.
Wah, wah, wah.
Hold on. Hold the phone, baby. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
All right, I made a little bit of money right there. Did you make money there, or what happened?
I'm still in it.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, I made
I'm
a
looking
little bit
for
right there, like $100.
I'm looking for a 500 break here.
Mm-hmm.
Might not get it, but we're going break even just to reduce any risk because this was a crazy risky trade.
I liked it.
Come on, break it. Oh, there we go.
Good trade, Steve.
We're out.
That was a great trade. How many were you in on that one?
3 micros, $115.
You're the macro boy?
I am, man. I'm a man of the people.
I don't think you can keep saying that, Steve, in good faith.
Why not?
I don't think it's very common, the man of the people, that you're just on here, prop firm owner, just crushing, X amount of dollars. I'm not going to disclose that publicly, but I don't know if you're the man of the people.
I love the people, man. I'm gonna be upset if that was like the entry of the day.
It probably was. In all reality, you probably had the entry of the day. I mean,
Wow.
I know.
So the only thing that, like, if you look at an hour chart down here, like I'll pull it up a little more. That's a pretty dang nice flag you got forming right there, man. And that point was getting real pointy.
I mean, it looks good still.
Oh yeah, it still does look good for the long side. You got to get through these 30s to 60, but yeah.
Let's see here, guys.
You know, you got Nvidia tomorrow after the close with the earnings. Actually, you got a lot of tech tomorrow, man. You got like CrowdStrike. Hold on, I got it
Order
pulled
filled.
up because I got to get into some positions today.
Taking a starter short here, guys.
What do we got? You got Snow, HP, CrowdStrike, Nvidia after close tomorrow, and then you got Best Buy and TD before open Thursday. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
That's a lot that can move the market.
I want to pop back into the 90s or 80s. Let's go, baby. Okay. Let's go, baby.
Order filled.
There we go. We'll take it. I'm up 220. Not too shabby.
Order filled.
Now we'll go long here. I think that was the long pullback I was looking for. Stop down here. So I'll basically break even on the day if this hits my stop.
Order
All right, there
filled.
we go. We're back to $20 Chipotle money. That's fine. That's how I like it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, baby. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right. Back up to $200, guys.
$200.
I mean, that's pretty dang good. I'm not going to hate on $200.
It's good money, man.
Are we forming a flag here, Steve? Well, never mind.
Yeah, kind of. I mean, no, you still kind of are on the larger time frame. 15 minutes curling, the hour, you're still at the point. So
All right, sorry, guys. Let me get my camera up, and we'll be good to go.
it's just tough with all that earnings looming, you know what I mean?
Sure.
Everybody's jockeying for position, so going into it. We'll get in. We'll take a little stab.
I'm waiting a little bit, but you go right ahead. I wish you the best.
See if we can't get back into the mid 90s again.
It's doable. Oh, hold on. All right, we are here.
Not looking so hot right here.
That looks like a choke slam at 500 to me right now, is the way it's looking.
Unless it's a little razzle dazzle fake out, man.
Dude, it could be. It could be a razzle dazzle fake out.
Nope, it wasn't. It was a get the F out of here.
Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty big sell-off, Steve.
Yeah, it is, but I'm not counting it out, man.
No, you can't count it out.
I just played it a little too tight.
It's okay.
Order filled.
I'm taking a little starter here to the short side.
You're going short?
Yeah, I am.
I'm going to go long then.
Of course you are. Steve
Let's see
messaged me
how
this
this
morning. He was like, hey, are we streaming today? I'm like, yeah, man, why not? I've been on a great run. I need to be sabotaged.
Well, one of us is going to be wrong.
I have a tight stop.
I still want these 90s again.
Order filled.
All right, I'm stopped right there. I'm still up money. It's fine.
All right, got it. What do we get? 94. All right, all right. 131. 2 wins, 1 loss.
I'm up $20. Can't
You know,
tell me
every
nothing.
time I
Order
trade
filled.
with you, man, I trade way too much.
Are you trying to say something about me?
Order filled.
No, I like trading with you on stream.
Blaming me for your losses? I've heard that one before.
It's all your fault.
Oh, here we go, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Order filled.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'm up $300. I will switch bias on a dime.
You have to. You 100%. You have to, man. It could be telling you short on 2 different time frames and get long all day on one.
Oh, yeah. And like once it starts going a direction, man, you just have to go with that direction. I mean, you can't have an ego in this game.
Man, there's sometimes like I'll place orders and I'll like, let's say, double up a stop because if it breaks through something, I know it's just going to explode. You know what I mean? So like you just catch the move immediately as it's breaking through.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm actually going to try another one here, Steve, right at 500.
Short?
No, not short. Why are you always trying to be a contrarian, man?
I'm not. But like, what did it do yesterday? It chopped for the first 30, 45 minutes.
Yesterday
Back
was
and forth.
yesterday.
I know, but you know, you got to look left to see what's going on to the right.
You just wait till I'm out of this trade. You'll see what I'm at.
Oh, that actually.
Order filled.
I know. I'm up 570. Look left now, mother effer.
Jeez.
Oh, yeah. We're cruising
That's
now,
almost
guys.
50-point candle right there. That's our range, 17. Yeah, 60 points. 50 points.
I think 500 is going to base up for us, man. I really do.
Order filled.
Taking a little stab right here, scaling in. Let's go, baby.
Order
All right,
filled.
another $80. I'm up $6.50. I'll take that.
Just making me look pathetic out here with my little $130.
I don't know why you come on here every time and trade micros with us.
I'm for the people.
Put a mini on and you'd be up probably, what, $2,000?
I don't need to trade minis, Gary.
My mistake, man. I'm glad that you're in a financial situation that you don't like money.
Oh. Man, I am eyeing the hell out of these 190 calls for NVIDIA here. I know it's not futures trading, but
I'm not interested because futures are ours and that's all that I care about. If you want to be a turncoat, that's fine. I'll be the man of the people.
I am not a turncoat, but hey, what were we going to talk about today? You said something on your.
Oh yeah, hold on. I'll tell you what we're going to talk about. I'm looking for another entry. The opening range is about to be in here.
Order filled.
We're going for it again, guys. Give me another 500 break. Stop under this wick, though. Keeping it nice and tight. Come on, give me one more razzle-dazzle, bingo, bango to the promised land, and we're good.
Whatever you want to call it.
Whatever you want to call it. Go up, Valhalla, bingo, go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm stopped right there. I'm up 460. That's fine. What was that noise?
It was me. I was going to place an order, but I was dinking around
Order
looking
filled.
at something else. That's where I wanted to get in, was the low 80s.
Man, we could come down and break the open range low with the
Yeah, I know we
sell-off
can,
like
but there was some good support in there in that range, the low 80s to, well, I didn't think it was going to go all the way down to 70.
Order filled.
Come on, baby.
But I'll risk a little for it.
Oh, you're long?
Yeah.
Okay. We trade the exact opposite almost every time.
Yeah, this one's a little, it's actually pretty risky here. Because momentum's starting to like curl, to the short side. But it could be just a sweep out.
Yeah, I mean, I have a stop right at 500. I mean, it's a little bit under 500, but we'll see. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, I think it's looking like it's going to break.
Come on, baby.
Ooh, that's not looking good.
It is for me.
Okay.
Bleed, baby, bleed. Riding this bad boy down.
Yeah, that was a big candle, man. Another 50 points.
Order filled.
There we go,
50 point
baby.
candle.
I'm up $1,500. Told you guys, I'll never abandon you. Steve started talking about calls and puts. I was like, that's fine. I'm sticking with the people. I'll go on the battlefield by myself. That's the way I like it, man. And now fate has rewarded me for my bravery, and I'm up $1,500 in each account. Thank you guys. I appreciate y'all. I'll never leave you. Don't worry.
I'm just down here making Gary look good.
No, I knew he was going to try to sabotage me, so I was like, all right, bet. I'm going to play mind games with him. Whatever he says, I'm doing the opposite.
I'll try it long again.
I'm going to chill for a minute. Oh, but what I was wanting to talk about, Steve, I don't want to distract you from your trade, but
Oh, you're fine. It don't matter. It either wins or loses.
it's a 50-50, man. Like everybody always talks about, oh, 70% chance or 80%, edge here. It's like, no, you got a 50-50. Let's be real.
Yeah. I mean, I took it. It does one of two things. It either hits the profit or hits the stop. But we can talk about whatever you
Sure.
want.
So what I put on Twitter is I want to talk about, because last week was, it was very exciting. You dropped this news on Friday, and I was getting a little bit wild. I was excited with it. So we have 1 day to pass evals here. So meaning you can purchase an eval any account size right now. If you hit your profit target, you're in funded the exact same day. And that's not like, oh, you got to wait till midnight until our system registers it, blah, blah, blah. No, you'll go to funded instantly. Like you hit the profit target, you go right to funded. So that's amazing. And with the no activation fee, you don't pay anything. You just get right into a funded account. What I was wanting to ask, how many people are taking advantage of that? Like I've been seeing, like a few people post like they're passing their evals, they're activating, they're going right to funded. So have you seen like a pretty good turnout for people taking advantage of that?
Oh yeah, man. Yeah, it's been like a floodgate to a degree. So like when we switched in the system, the 1 day to pass, I mean, it basically, people worked the account, right? Like they
Sure.
traded it, they made their profit. They were just, needing a couple more days. I basically like opened the floodgates for, people to then upgrade. And then when we did the no fee, like it was just a big flurry. So I mean, we were really happy, to be able to offer that to our traders, right? I mean, that's a big thing.
Well,
Trading's tough. It can become expensive to a degree, so we just want to make it easier for everybody.
well, that is a big thing, Steve. But another thing is, I was talking to somebody actually yesterday. I was having a conversation with this person, and what they said, they asked me like, "Hey, also I see that there's no monthly fees, right?" Like they were actually one of the people that won a free account. And they're like, I want to take, I want to be serious with this account. I don't want to try to rush it or anything. Also, see, there's no monthly fees with you guys. I think that's amazing, which it is 1 day to pass. I mean, you can pass it in 1 day, but you don't have to, guys, is what I'm saying. Like, if you want to be smart with it, build it up slowly and take your time. Doesn't matter how long it takes you. I mean, there's a one-time fee. That's all that you're ever going to pay.
Yeah. So like when you get on a prop, right? If you have this like rebuild date that's constantly looming over you, I mean, it can really mess with your trading.
Sure.
And we don't want that, just you got to try to make it as easy as you can. Trading is hard as heck anyway. So why,
Yeah.
rebuild date on a, eval account, like just doesn't make sense,
Well, it's a little predatory. I think that's the word that you were looking for.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
And I mean, like to be real, it is kind of predatory,
Take a little long stab right here, guys. That was a pretty decent bounce up off of the open range low right there. We nailed the short. Let's see if we can get them both ways now. Let's see.
Order filled.
put another one on here, guys, and I'm going to put a stop down here at 55. That's about as much as I want to risk on this thing. And in fact, I'm looking to pull my stop up as quick as I can. Go, baby, go.
Order filled.
Take one off right there, guys. Lock in some profit. Put this.
Order
All right,
filled.
there we go. That's fine. When I took that trade, it really didn't do exactly what I was thinking it would do at that point in time. So I was looking for a way just to remove myself from the trade anyway. So up almost 1,600. Even if it goes now, without me, that's fine. I was just feeling personally not great about the trade, even though it certainly worked out. That was, what I thought it would do. I just got sketched out, so I removed myself from it.
Exhausted your mental energy.
Well, I mean, so it did, and I'm up really good on the morning, right? Like before I took the trade, I was up 1450, and that's really freaking good across multiple accounts. So that's a lot of money that I'm already up. I don't have to really risk crazy amounts anymore. I thought it would go sooner than what it did. It started coming back down, and I was like, well, I could very easily see this reversing back to new lows. It didn't, obviously, but I just didn't like the price action. So removing yourself, there's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, I hear you on that. Let's see here. Okay, so Philpot has a question. How does it work when you go to funded and hit the profit target? That's your money, right? Understand. Yeah, okay, so other firms will call it like building a buffer, right? But you can't ever withdraw that money. With us in your funded phase, you're building your capital for sim brokerage, and you can withdraw that money. So everything that you earn in the funded is essentially yours. They do have static drawdowns that lock at 200, because anything below $200, you're not really even going to be able to put a micro on with a stop, so just don't take the account down to anything below $200, and I mean, it's all yours. So to answer your question, yes, you are correct. Everything that you earn in that funded phase is yours.
And it is a little bit different at Halcyon in that sense too, because, I think quite literally every single other prop firm, when you go to the funded phase, like they're like, all right, well, you can withdraw over whatever profit target. They lock that profit target up though, so you can never have it.
Yeah, so there's like 2,100, 2,600, like on a 50K that you can never ever touch anywhere else. And they call it a one step. It's not a one step. It's a two-step process, because you have to pass your eval, then you have to get past this $2,100 or $2,600 buffer that they call before you're eligible to withdraw. And you can never touch the money.
Yeah.
You can't ever withdraw above 21 or 2,600 on a 50K, right? So they're locking up your money. It is what it is. That's how they choose to do it. We don't like to do it that way. We call it exactly what it is. A duck is a duck and it walks like a duck. So we call it exactly what it is. You're just building your margin to take into sim brokerage. It's no different than if you were on an actual trade desk, proving that you can trade, proving that you can earn profits, and then building capital to go to, quote unquote, like a live phase, right? So we just structured it the exact same. It's just in simulation. That's the only difference.
Order filled.
Okay, I just did a break-even trade right there. I was taking a long stab. I still think ultimately it's going to be long.
Yeah, I'm looking to get long right now as you're talking here. Love to get long.
I think it
I
is
whittled
long.
my account all the way down to $8, man. I'm over trading with Gary today.
No,
The
no.
funny shit is I had the cues marked out, and this thing basically tapped the line that I had marked
Order
out on the
filled.
cues to get long.
Don't you guys love that? Like, he comes on. I haven't told him to take a single trade. In fact, I've been taking the opposite trades as him, and yet somehow I'm still to blame for his overtrading.
Always, man. I can never assume responsibility for my shitty trading.
You know, man, I've dealt with that actually quite extensively.
Oh man, what else do you want to talk about today? I haven't seen you in a long time. It's been like a week.
It's been a while.
Order
Man. Well,
filled.
no, I saw you on Friday. We streamed on Friday.
That's too long.
I mean, is everything going okay? Do you need somebody to blame for the stuff going on? Is that what's going on here?
No, everything's good. Just get me filled for the love of all heck.
Order filled.
I mean, you could just do it like me, man. Take little shots over and over.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just popped it in there. We're gonna set a. Well, I want to see this actually move today.
I do too.
Order
But,
filled.
I mean, I'm taking $40 and $50 at a time, man. It's adding up. But
Order
yes, this
filled.
does look like a picture-perfect bull flag, if you ask me. Put a stop down here at right under 80. Come on, baby. Let's go.
Order filled.
All right, that's fine. A little bit of money there. I'm up 1,700. Maybe I
Oh, there. Come on.
shouldn't have gotten out when I did, but whatever, guys. 1,700 to 1,700. Okay, Steve. Noah is asking, and I don't know the answer to this, to be honest with you. Are we able to copy trade with Rhythmic and DX feed, or are they separate?
You'd have to get a third-party copy trader.
Okay.
There's some cloud-based ones. Yeah, Chris said it. That you can use. Just do your research.
Sure.
Well, what do we think here?
I still think we're in long
Order
territory, dude.
filled.
I know I'm gonna trim one here just to,
Just to be smart.
and we'll just go break even and see if this thing can get into the 550s. We'll just let it ride.
I have a stop down here at 93.
I'm in at 87, stop at 87 and a tick.
That's pretty good.
Looking for, I mean, I'd like to see it come into the 550s, man.
I would too, but
Order
all
filled.
right, I'm stopped right there. That's fine. If I get back in, I get back in. We'll see what it does here.
Order
Yeah.
filled.
I don't think I should have gotten out right there, to be
Order
honest.
filled.
Yeah, I agree with Barash here. It can fly through that 37 and a half, though. There's not a whole lot doing it in there, in my opinion.
All right, everybody's getting long then. I'm long with them. This is probably going to be my downfall.
Now who's blaming who, guy?
No, I'm not blaming. I'm taking the trade. I'm just telling you probably what's going to happen here.
Is it cold where you're at? You're wearing a sweater today.
It's always cold, man.
Yeah, it's like we're in Michigan here, man. It was down into like the high 50s this morning. It was cold, cold, cold.
I think we were in the 70s this morning here, pretty cold.
Fall is coming, man. That just means volatility.
I thought you were about to say that just means volunteers, and I was like, yes, it does.
Oh, I don't watch no football.
I don't either.
Bullshit.
Dude, I don't watch football. Like I'm telling you, like if it's on, like if I'm with buddies, sure, but like me choosing to watch football, I'll never do it.
No. Yeah, no, I don't ever select to
Order
turn it
filled.
on my television.
Order filled.
All right. I'm coming for glory today, guys.
Oh man, here we go. He's out for it. Glory be all.
Glory be all, guys. Glory is the cousin of Fate, and me and Fate are very good friends, so I'm looking to meet Glory today.
Philpott says, I watch enough for both. Yeah, you're not kidding, man. The pool days are over. There is no
Order
more going
filled.
to the lake for me. None of it. We did it this weekend. That was the last hurrah. Holy crap, was it cold.
Order filled.
I think we're going to Hive Day, so I'm taking a shot again, guys.
Yeah, we got to get through 71 on the cues here. If we can get through that, then we got pretty smooth sailing back up to 72, which would be about 560-ish.
Can you talk about that a little bit, Steve? Because a lot of people, I think, are coming over from options.
50 point difference.
A lot of people are coming over from options to try futures, so like they're very familiar with watching the cues. So you still watch the cues when you're trading in cues, is that correct?
Every single day.
Yep.
100%. Yeah, I got 4 charts of it up over here. I watch all time frames. So how it typically goes, and this is like this is not precise, like I'm just speaking in general
Order
terms.
filled.
Sure.
A 50 point move on NQ typically equals $1 value on QQQ. Now that can range from 50 to 70 depending on how close we are to expiry for the contract, but it's typically a 50 point move equals the dollar on QQQ, right? So like this low right here is 69 flat. This right here is 70, right? So if you do that
Order
move,
filled.
that's 28, 88. So that's, like 60 points, right? That's why I said it's 50 to 70 points.
Man, I got tagged out right there, but I don't think that we're done going
Order
up.
filled. Order filled.
Let's go, baby.
Making you earn the crap out of it.
Dude,
today,
it is.
huh?
Like, I think that we want to go higher, so I keep taking these shots.
Patience pays.
That's what they say. Patience pays, but I know shooting the ball also pays.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Go, baby, go.
Order filled.
All right, made some back right there. We're getting back into it, guys. I'm up 1,300. Let's keep the dream alive. What are we going to do? Can we hold 90 and get back up above 500? Or are we going to slam down?
I don't think we slam.
All right, I'm gonna load up every short that I can here then.
This guy doesn't know shit. Get short.
He said, "There's no way we'll slam guys. Sell your house, go short,
Order filled.
Yeah. Over leverage.
go into debt if you have to."
I just wanted to come on stream and trade with you for a little bit, man. I really had no intentions of trading at all this week. I didn't trade yesterday. It's just too much earnings coming. It's risky.
You don't like being in
Market
the
will
trenches
be
with the
there.
team?
I love being in the trenches with the team, but I also
Order
like my
filled.
money.
So do we, man.
Order
Let's go to
filled.
Hive Day,
I like-
guys.
I like preserving it.
No, I don't believe in that.
Oh, this is some BS, dude. If I miss this move by 2 ticks on a stop,
You're not missing anything, man. Just get long right here.
horrible advice. Watch it fly 100 points.
That's what I'm saying. It sounds bad until it works.
Yeah. I think you had like a little clip that you made, and that's basically it, right? Like,
Yeah.
it don't look good, but when it works, then it looks great, and you look like a genius.
Yeah, it looks like you're chasing until it doesn't.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that was it. But there's a lot of truth in that, man. There's a ton of truth in that.
Yeah.
You know, if you're not in it, if you don't take the trade, there's a 100% chance you won't make money, right?
Well, exactly. There might be.
And if you take the, go ahead.
Yeah, there's a 50% chance if I take the trade, I'll lose money. But there's a 100% chance if I don't take it, I won't make money.
Yeah, like Philpott. If it's stupid and it works, it ain't stupid. Yeah, I hear you on that, man.
Exactly, buddy. I taught him that.
That's some serious words of wisdom. That's some Gary genius right there.
I mean, nobody will trade like me. I'll tell you that.
What do we got cooking here? You think we're basing for the push?
Oh, I think we're basing for a new Hive Day. And you could have it for the low price of, 504 right here.
I want it for the low price.
Well, now that's
97.
gone. Now it's at 12. I tried to tell you, man. It's stupid until it ain't.
Order filled.
There we go, baby. Look, was that stupid? No, it wasn't stupid. We made money. It's still going. Oh, dude.
Oh my gosh, I did. I got bounced out by
Steve,
2 points.
I gave
Not
it to
even.
you 20 points lower down there. I said you can have it for the low price of 504. I said it. It's on camera. Now it hit 527.
I got bounced out by 2 ticks.
I don't have any sympathy, man, because I told you to grab it at 504. I had it at 506.
I know. No, I don't want to overtrade today.
It's not over trading if it works.
I can buy my wife and I Chipotle. The kids are on their own.
Jesus. Oh no, guys! I'm down to my last Alp in this can.
I got a stack of them over here. Gary
I got
me.
another can. Don't worry.
Look.
Told you guys.
How are you going?
We're going to do some horse racing in a minute, Steve.
Yeah.
All right, let me retweet the Twitter stream. If you guys could go do me a favor, and if 5 or 6 of you guys can retweet the Twitter stream for me, then we'll get a horse race going. All right. Oh, Noah's all set up on Rhythmic, baby. Let's go. Hey, Noah, what
Rhythmic's
platform?
a pretty darn.
What platform are you going to use on Rhythmic? All right, let me get the track set up for us, guys, so we can do these races. I'll show you what a real man of the people is.
Show me.
When I rig some races, I will. All right, I have returned. I'm about to take us to the tracks, guys. All right, Steve, so just so we're clear, $500 still a number one, correct?
I'm taking that thing all the way.
All the way, okay.
500 on number one. That stands until it hits.
Okay. You guys heard it. We're about to have a very, very fun race, guys. I'm about to test your all's risk management. See what kind of traders you really are.
Wait, why is that?
Don't worry, you'll see. I'm going to give everybody a lesson on life right here. Okay, so here is the dilemma, guys. $500 goes to number one. $100 goes to every other horse. Number three has a significant head start, but it's only $100 if it wins. So the choice is yours. Do you want to go for $500, or do you want to, do base hits, ride with the gang, take number three, and hope that number three pulls it off for us? This is your decision. So I'll give you guys a minute to think about it. Dale all day, baby. Three is king.
Yeah, Dale all day. I love that. We get when people submit like what horse that won, and we put the money on the account. Like I like going in and answering tickets. That's what I see. It's like Dale all day, baby.
Yep. I promise that House Young's the only prop firm that has support tickets coming in that says Dale Earnhardt.
I respond to them too with the same thing. I'm like, number three, Dale all day, baby. Good win.
That's awesome. Phil Pop just said, I just smoked a Marlboro with my black coffee. It's number three for me today. Meredith says BS on three head start. Meredith, come on. Like, it's the team. Like, we're at the craps table. We're all together here. Number three is a good community horse. All right, so get your bets in, guys. People are like, wait, 3, 11. People were picking 1, and they just changed to 3 real fast. All right, guys, bets are in. You know the deal. You can't say it's a rigged race if you see what it is before the race starts. That's just how it goes. Now, if I did this after it started, that's sketchy, but I'm doing it beforehand, so it's not sketchy.
It's not sketchy.
It's not sketchy. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3, and they're off, baby. Let's go, Dale. Oh, yeah, Dale's going to win this race so hard, I'm not even stressing. Dude. Okay, we're not even in third place anymore. We might be in dead last place, guys. Oh, my. Dude, we might come in last place. Okay, well, number 6 is the winner. Did anybody pick number 6? I don't think so. There's 3. Number 4 fell over yet again. And number 1 finally made it in. Okay. Well, number 6 was the winner. 6 is back. I don't know, guys. I tried.
This is not looking good.
Number 3 is a pothead.
Number 3 is hothead.
Don't talk about number 3 like that. He's won at least 2 races that I know of. That's the pit team's fault. Put Dale on trash tires.
Order filled.
I'm going to go long right here, guys, for the 20 break. Have a stop down here under 15, though. So I'm risking $120 to make, well, we're going to make something. Let's go, baby. Look at that.
Order filled.
It looks like you're chasing until it works. You will not hear that anywhere else, I promise.
Not before August 26th.
Correct. You will not hear that before August. Yeah. But it's the truth. I mean, all jokes aside, guys, like, if you are just watching this stream for the first time, I don't want you to take away that I don't have logic behind my trades. I'm just on here gambling, clicking buttons. I have fun with it because you have to make trading fun to make it less stressful. But I'm a momentum-based trader, and if you've been watching, every how many months I've been doing this live now, you guys know that momentum is the main part of my strategy. And once we've picked a direction, I tend to just ride the momentum in that direction until it reverses. So it might look like I'm chasing something, but I do a lot of breakout style trading. I know a lot of people hate breakouts. They look for pullbacks, to take the risk down, but I know I take a lot of shots. I'm just looking for little hits, and it is true. I mean, it looks like you're chasing until it keeps going, and you look back 50 points like, oh man, I wish I would have had that entry. Well, just take it now.
Yeah, but I think there's something like to be said too. Like you have to have multiple styles, like in your tool belt to a degree, right? Like,
yeah,
just one type of style or edge or system of trading, it's just not going to get it done. I don't prefer breakouts, but I trade them. You know what I mean? That's what I talked about earlier. Like if I throw a stop on, I'll double up the stop so then it catches the breakout if the breakout doesn't fail, and it goes through.
Steve, it's funny you say that. Like, that's exactly what I talked about yesterday. Like, we were trending up. I actually put a limit order in short. I'm like, all right, I want this to come up here and fill me. I think it will reverse around here. I was like, somebody please tell Steve that we can trade his style too. So that's what I told them. It's just, that's not like my go-to strategy, because I'm more of a momentum-based trader, and that's my strong suit. But like you said, whatever the conditions are, like maybe you have to like change it up a little bit that day to do what the market's doing.
Yeah, I mean, you have to be very adaptable. You got to have more than one style or one tool, so to say, right? Like, I mean, to be corny, you don't work on a car with a single screwdriver. You got to have all the tools.
Sure. And like, here's the thing too, like you have to be adaptable as a trader to stick around for a long time. Otherwise the market will gobble you up and spit you out before you ever get going. So for me, and I'm sure a lot of people are similar here, I started with low floats. I mean, a lot of people started with low float stocks. I mean, they were hitting, they were working. There was a lot of money to be made there, and then they stopped working as well, like you couldn't take as much size. I mean, maybe they still work the way that they always did, but you almost like outgrow them, so to speak. Like you start getting bigger accounts, and then it becomes a liquidity thing that, if the liquidity is not there like it once was, you can't make as much money. I mean, if you want to take size, because you'll never get out. So then, I graduate to options. And, I had a lot of fun with options. I still like SPY options. And then, when I found futures some time ago, I'm like, wait, you mean to tell me like you can make this much money on futures? You don't have any of the games that options give you, like time decay or the IV crap. So for me, it just in my brain it made sense. Okay, well, I can make the type of money with futures that I was making way back in the day on low floats. There's definitely enough volume to sustain it here. I don't have to take a crazy risk in size to do so, and I can make my money without the options game. So it's just be adaptable is the larger point here.
Yeah, I agree 100%, man. I remember the low float era, you know what I mean? You could buy anything, and
Yeah,
there was just tons of liquidity. And then when that started drying up, man, if you got caught in a position, you were screwed.
screwed, man. Like I remember, and I remember this trade because it was like the worst trade that ever happened to me with a low float. I was playing Revlon, REV, on a day that it had bankruptcy news or whatever. And usually, it's called a dead cat bounce. Like that is something that works pretty frequently that, it's beat to pieces in pre-market, man. There's usually some little relief bounce. So that's what I was going for. And, I just kept loading up, kept adding. Like, yeah, baby, I'm about to make so much money. And it was working. I was up $250,000 in my position. Like, oh yeah, baby, I knew this was going to happen. Well, I try to start selling some of my shares. There's not enough liquidity there or anything, man. So like, I couldn't get my shares out. So from up $250,000 to I closed that trade down 600K. In a matter of like, I'm talking 30 minutes, man. So
Been there, done that, buddy.
it was pretty brutal. So I'm like, all right, well, I don't want that to happen again. And so then, you start adapting a little bit.
Yeah, I traded one. It was called like Rock Pharmaceuticals or something. And I was just hammering the short all day. I was green. And then they announced some news after hours about some share split and all this stuff. And then like 20 minutes later, they announced this giant deal. They double newsed it. I could not get out. So keep in mind, this is aftermarket, and I'm trying to get out of like 50,000 shares of this shit, man. Every time I hit buy, it just kept running further and further and further away from me.
Dude, I know. It's like, and you're just strapped in for the ride, man. There's nothing you can do is the scary part.
There literally nothing. There was absolutely nothing. I think it increased $15 after hours, and I was part of the increase 100%.
Yeah,
you know what I mean. There's nothing I could do.
Dude, I've been there. So like I have a lot of nightmare trading stories. Like one, it wasn't like a massive dollar amount, in perspective, but it was to me at the time. So back in 2019, I didn't have a crazy amount of money, guys, at all. And I remember it was a Friday. JCPenney put out news on a Friday that like...
Gosh, I remember that.
You remember this? So they put out news Friday morning that, they're not going to do bankruptcy, or they're not going to offer or something like that. They like set out a whole meeting. I'm like, oh yeah, this is great. So I'm like, all right, cool. I'm going to buy some shares of this to swing it over the weekend. Monday, JCPenney might rally. So they put that news out Friday morning. Dude, it's like the market's closed. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm not even anywhere near my computer, man. And I'm in a position after hours that same day. They put out another news piece. Oh, just kidding. Actually, we are going to go ahead and do bankruptcy. Dude. Like I lost like $3,000 on it. I mean, I've lost plenty more on trades, but at the time that was so much money to me, I was pissed.
Yeah, I mean, it's all capital relative, right? Yeah. I remember that day. Pre-market, they were hyping it up like we can avoid it. We're going to do this, investors were backing them, I think was the headline.
That was the headline,
like that. Yeah. Like a VC group was coming in. After hours, it was just like, we can't. Hold on, deal didn't go through.
That should be borderline illegal.
Friday evening, right? And you got to ride this thing into Monday.
Yes. Like, and there's nothing you could do about it, man.
No, but I've been in some where it's the same situation, man. You get into a low float, news comes out, and the stock price goes from $7 to $87 in after hours. You know what I mean? You're just
Sure.
sitting there, it's looking like the gas pump. Your P&L just going
Yeah.
higher and higher and higher and higher and higher.
Order filled.
The old times, man. Okay, we got to get back to it. Everybody's probably like, screw this crap.
Yeah, like we don't care about, your old timer days.
So what do you think? I got short.
I have a
That's
long
40.
with a very tight stop at 36. I'm just looking for a 50 break, man.
See, I'm looking for a pushback down into the high 20s here.
You'll probably get it. So I have literally like a 6-point stop on this. I'm risking $100. So
Got a nice little flag forming, but you
Order
do have,
filled.
morning chops still.
all right, so I'm out right there. But yes, I do think
Order
it's a
filled.
flag forming myself. Take the
Yeah.
shot again here.
It's a risky short.
I think either direction is a little bit risky up here, to be honest with you, man. Put a wider stop down here. Actually below that candle. So I'll risk 170 here.
Well, they're holding it on the 30s.
Yeah, I mean, I'm back in. I mean, we'll see how it works for me.
Order filled.
Okay, I made my money back on it. That's fine with me. That's a scratch trade. We got a new 5-minute candle about to form here in 5 seconds, so see if it pops the top off of 50 or not.
It's looking like it, huh?
I'm going to put a limit up here at 51.50 short.
Meredith, yeah, I stopped as of right now, but I accumulated 190s for September 5th. I got a 281 average.
What I would like to happen here, I have a limit short put in place at 51.50. I would like to come up, maybe pop 50, do a little bull trap here. People think that, we just broke 50, we're going, baby, and then maybe slam down. That's what I would like to happen. If it plays out, that's a different story. But we're going to try it. And, I'm not taking crazy size guys. I'm being nice and patient now because I'm up $1,500 in each account. I'm not looking to give that back.
No, I didn't. I stopped accumulating them. I stopped buying into them. I'm not stopped out. I don't even have a stop loss on those because they're so far dated out. I'm looking for the move on earnings.
Come on, baby, feel me. I'm going to show Steve how to do his style for him.
You're getting short?
I got a limit in 51.50 if it feels me.
The funny thing is where I got this stop at 54.25 is probably where a good short will be filled.
I mean, I do think we at least want to go tap 50. I think that's fair to assume. Maybe we don't, but either way, I'm happy with where we're at on the day. We'll do another horse race in a minute. People are begging me to rig horse number 1.
Yeah, I've traded AMD so much, but I just don't really like it anymore. I hold pretty substantial long position. I mean, Gary will attest to this. I remember when AMD was $9-10
Oh yeah.
way back in the day. But yeah, I trade options on it sometimes. It's good. It just doesn't move as quick as I like to see. Like NVIDIA calls, man, you get so much volume influx, like options, puts or calls. AMD doesn't really get as much love anymore. I still got it up here. Let's see where it's at. What do we got here? Oh, wow. Geez, AMD's getting a good push today.
What's the price?
I just got filled on that short. 167. Jeez, man.
That's insane.
I know, man. Remember when that you remember, right? That damn thing was a penny stock, man.
Yes. Oh, I remember.
And I remember when you'd get moves from like 9 to 13 and you were like, oh my gosh, I'm making so much money. This is $167 right now.
Well, that's the thing. I mean, you never know it's going to do something like that, right? I mean, who would have known?
I mean, I don't have that average anymore, but geez, I think I'm in the 70s or 80s on it.
I might want to get short a little bit sooner.
Order filled.
Taking a
I
short
like to
right
sell.
here.
I like
I know
to
you do.
sell options. I love selling options, man.
Come on, can we flush?
Yeah. Yeah, so Meredith, you know all about those golden days.
Oh, Meredith
there's got to
knows
be
everything.
another
Order
ticker that's
filled.
going to come around that's going to pull one move like that. Gary, did you ever trade that Elfin? Remember that one, man?
I do remember that one, yes.
Yeah. What was the other one? It started with an R. Red. No,
Red-
not Redbox. I traded that.
Yeah, I traded
I can't
Redbox. Dude, I don't know. Like, there's so many of them, and it just, like, they all blend together. Like, I don't care what the company is or does. I just want the price action.
Dude, I'm not hating on anybody. There's something to be said for fundamental trading, but like I couldn't imagine reading like a 10K or no crap like that.
No, well,
Just
by the time you read it, the move's already happened.
ODAC, yeah. CNET. Remember CNET? It was like a $1.40 and it ran to like 10 or 11 in a day.
I remember, like, in COVID times, man, with Kodak, how they came out with, like, a COVID angle that they tried to, like, say they're a COVID stock. And I'm like, what does Kodak cameras have to do with COVID?
Yeah, blockchain, man.
Yeah, blockchain.
Yeah, they were going to put your pictures on blockchain, buddy.
Dude, I know.
Like, how is this even possible? Like, these guys are going to get delisted for this shit.
That, and I don't remember the company name, man, but there was a funeral home stock that came out, and they said, well, COVID is causing a lot of people to die. Our stock's going to go up.
I remember that, man. And I was like, I remember where I was too when I read the article. I was like driving down the road and I was like, this can't be real. Like,
it was
this
real.
is getting out of hand now, man.
Order filled.
Take another short here, guys. Yeah, that was a wild time. It really was. I mean, it was the Wild West.
Yeah, okay, so you're getting short. Yeah, the 1 minute's looking a little curly here.
I got to stop in the profit just in case it wicks back up.
You think we come down into the low 500s?
Order filled.
We'll see. I just got tagged in the profit for some right there. I could also see the case for a bull flag being put in is the scary part.
Yeah, me too. Let's see what we got cooking on the cues.
Order filled.
Yeah, there's a case to be made there.
I got short again. Just taking little base hits on the way down here in case it reverses on me. I'm going to go clear this wick that we just put in.
You see the Twitter chat. Next race, Steve wants one to have a head start and funded accounts to whoever picks it.
Steve wants to donate $1 million to somebody.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe we can come down and fail the 20s, man.
Did you say fail the
Yeah.
20s?
Yeah.
Order filled.
Okay, there's another $50.
Yeah, I mean, there's a good block, support 507.
All right, let me get my chat pulled
98.
back up.
507, 498.
So we're coming back down as well, guys, to this open range high. It's at 1850. Let me go ahead and draw that for you guys. It's about right there.
What are you at, like 513 on that?
I got 518 on that is where I've got it at.
You do a 15-minute, right?
Uh-huh. It could either bounce off of this line, guys, and come back up, or it can just slam under it.
Order
I'm
filled.
taking a shot that we slam under it.
Order filled.
Okay, a little bit more money. That's fine. I'm at 1620 on the day. I would not be disappointed if that's where I ended.
Man, you're cooking today, dude.
Well, remember, most of this came, I had 2 contracts back, around the beginning of the stream when I went long, and I just kept riding it up, man. But yeah, I mean, after that, like, I've kind of stayed around this area because I've just gone into like major preservation mode. Like, I don't want to give my profit back, so I'm not as liberal with my stops, not as, taking as many entries. I'm just playing the safe route, almost trading like you, Steve.
Hey, that's a really good talking point, though, right? So let's talk about that to a degree, if you don't mind.
No?
So sometimes, a trader may say, "Hey, I'm up, $500-$700 for the day. This
Order
looks like
filled.
a good setup." And let's say they double up contracts or widen the stop a little bit. Like, there's some importance to saying, like, I can still take this trade, but I'm going to play it really tight so I don't give back money.
Yeah, exactly. And that's kind of what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, which is, quote unquote, to a degree, like the professional way to do it. You almost scale back a little bit more when you've gotten some good distance up on your PNL, right? Like, you don't push as hard.
Let's go, baby.
Oh, yeah, you're coming into it right here, bud.
Yeah, I thought we wanted to come fail that line, man.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm up almost $1,800 right now. That's great for me. I would be down for another horse race, too, to be honest with you.
Okay, I'll take this off. Let's do a race.
Yeah. And so I'm glad, this brought up a talking point, Steve, if you don't mind. So something that I have seen, posted a couple times on Twitter, and to me, it's wild. It should be like, make sense to most people. And I think it makes sense to everybody that is legitimate, trying to trade, not taking advantage of an opportunity, and, not trying to be, I don't want to use the word scammer, but this is like a scammer tendency, okay? So I talk a lot about one of the reasons that I like, affiliated with Halcyon, that, like I help promote them to you guys because I think they're amazing accounts. I'm making a lot of money myself on them. I know what other prop firms are out there. I know the predatory rule set they have, and I see that it's different with Halcyon. So I always say, guys, the only rule here is don't lose your max drawdown. Like whatever account size you have, don't lose that drawdown. There's no consistency rule. You can trade the news. You don't have to like be green a set amount of days. Literally, if you trade, you trade freely. There's no rules to stop you from trading. Now, what some people come out and say is, no, that's not true. Like, I took 15 contracts, I made $30,000, and then, I'm just wanting to do like a one quick flip for, 2-second trade for the next 9 days to get my payout. That is frowned upon, guys. That is not actually trading. So there's no rule if you actually trade. Like if you take 5 contracts for, so many days in a row, like you're doing good, like you're making money, and then, like you're in capital preservation mode, like you're like, oh, well, I'm up good. I don't want to give this back. Let me scale it down. The market's moving slower. Let me drop down to like 2 contracts or something like that. That's fine. That'll fly. That's all well and good. What's not actually trading is like, oh, I just gambled with 15 contracts. It worked out for me. Now let me just take one day in and out. That's not actually trading. So when I say there's no rules against trading, part of that statement just means trade. Just keep trading. There's no rules against continue to trade.
No, you're 100%. Yeah, you're 100% right. So, like, I guess to elaborate a little further from our side of things, like we don't want the gambler. There's a big difference in, like let's take just today right here, right?
Sure.
Like there's a big difference if you caught, close to this support down here. And let's say you got 3 contracts. Then you said, okay, this is support again. I'm going to go 3 more. This is support again. I'm going to go 3 more. Now you're in 9, right? Like there's a big difference there. So like you have heavy contract size. Take yesterday, if you just traded 2 contracts because it just chopped back and forth, right?
Sure.
Like that's trading. That is trading. I want to be clear. That is trading. And we are traders and we see through the bullshit, right? There's a big difference if you took 30 down here and then for the next 9 days proceeded to trade 1 contract. You got lucky. You gambled. You gambled with your account is the basis of it, right? And we've never denied anybody, but we've had phone calls and, called people out like, you're a gambler. That was gambling.
Order filled.
And we're not going to deny you because, like we're not some shady firm.
Sure.
You got lucky. You took a news trade and it worked out, but you need to continue to trade. Like trade. Just be a trader. Don't try to scam.
Yeah, well, I guess my thing is like it's a good thing, guys, like, and don't take advantage of it, and ruin a good thing for other people. That's my whole thing.
Yeah, because I mean, at the end of the day, right, it could be, like there's some firms with 20-30% consistency, like, and I mean, you would never be able to do that. If you made 30 grand like that, you would be trading for the next 6 months to try to meet the consistency rule. So don't abuse the system to a degree. And we haven't, it hasn't happened in months. You know what I mean? So we're just looking for traders. That's what we're looking for. Our goal is to move people to live. But if you had a live account with us, you're not going to go risking 15, 30 contracts on one trade. That's the facts. You're just not going to.
Yeah.
I mean, why would you essentially risk your money? It's just, and Gary said it, and that's what it is. It's the scammers. They think like, oh, this isn't my money. It's the firms. It's just simulated. Screw it. F it. Like 30 contracts, buy, sell. So it doesn't work that way. You know what I mean?
I'm getting
we don't have a consistency rule, but it's nice to see some, actual trading.
That's all it is. Just actually trade, guys. There's no consistency. Trade freely, but just don't gamble.
You're getting short, you said?
Yeah, I am. That was a big wick up there at 50. I might end up regretting this short. I think I'm going to. But for right now, I'm short. Then we'll go to the tracks. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, NVIDIA laid in a good flag, got another pull, another flag forming. This thing could just be bump, 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 stair stepping today.
Yeah, I think so.
I think NVIDIA's driving the cues today.
Order
100%.
filled.
I cut it out right there, guys. I gave back a little bit right there. So I think I'm going to have to go long, man, for the 50
Order
break.
filled. Order filled.
I was thinking long, and then I got cut up a couple times on the longs there. Tried a short. It didn't work out for me. It is what it is.
And just for clarification, I did not sabotage him.
He sabotaged me, guys. You all saw it. Let me see if
I'll be right back. I gotta take this.
Sure. All right, guys. I'm going to see if we break 50 here, and if we don't break 50, then we'll go to the tracks. Krob on Twitter, to answer your question, no, there's no monthly fees with the accounts here. Let's go do the thing. If we can clear 50, guys, we might get a pretty substantial pop. But it's not a guarantee that we're going to clear 50. Just be aware. Stop at 30 for me.
Order filled.
Put another one on. I'll go for it. Why not? We held the open range, coming back up to test this 50 area. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Again, I might be entering in a chop zone. We'll see, guys. But don't worry, we will do another horse race. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, I'm tagged right there, guys. I still think we're going to go to Hive Day, but I want to be a little bit careful here. I will take another entry when I find one. This is looking like a flag to me.
Order
personally.
filled. Order filled.
So I'm going back in.
Order
Okay.
filled.
Let's go. I added another one into strength here. I'm looking for this 50 break, guys. I think that we can do one more high day today. Come on, baby. Can we push, guys? Okay. Can we push it?
Order filled.
There we go. Made some money back. Okay. I'm in the green, not as much as I once was, but hey, green is green, guys. I still
Order
think
filled.
I got to shoot the
Order
ball
filled.
here for the 50 break, though. Put a stop down here under these wicks. And give it to me. Okay. Let's go.
Order filled.
Okay, and another $100 back. I'll jab my way back
Order
up to this
filled.
50 break,
Order
guys.
filled.
Go. Break 50.
Order filled.
Add into strength up here. Go. I'm going to go clear this wick up here. Okay, come on.
Order filled.
Another $100 back. I'll take it. I still
Order
think
filled.
50 is coming. Let me put one more in. If I get a slight little dip here, then I'll put a second one in.
Order
Like
filled.
that. Let's see. Do it for West Side, guys. While Steve is MIA. Okay. Stop down here into these wicks. Yeah, I'm going to get tagged, I do believe.
Order filled.
All right. Getting chopped. I thought we were going to go break 50. We did not. I still see a flag on the 5 minutes. Let me look at this. I still see that flag, guys, is the problem. Yeah, it is gross PA.
Order filled.
But I
Order
think
filled.
we want 50, guys.
Order filled.
Add up into this a little bit more here. Stop near that wick. I'm just taking shots with logical areas here, guys. I'm okay with getting chopped. I mean, I do like the trades I'm taking. It's just the PA is not working out for me.
Order filled.
Here we go. Give myself a little bit more grace directly under that wick. I don't want to get tagged too early, but also I'm not going to ride it all the way down. I have a stop in place.
Sorry about that.
Order filled.
What's up, Steve? Oh, it's fine. I've just been getting chopped in your absence.
guys never gonna have me on again. He's always leaving.
I got chopped pretty decently right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah,
Order
let's go break
filled.
this thing, though.
No.
What are you seeing, Steve? I think we're going to break the open range high back down into it here.
Order filled.
Break under 20. Come on, baby, break it. Well, Stevie Blaine is gone again. Dude, he disappears all the time. Come on down, baby. Give us a flush. Come on. Stop right here, guys. And if this hits me, then I'm going to remove myself from the action and wait on Stevie Blaine to get back. Yep, I think it's about to tag me, guys. This is pretty... I don't know. I'm seeing a bear flag starting. It's just how high does it want to come up?
Order filled.
We might hit it. I do think a bear flag is forming. It looks like a picture-perfect bear flag.
I'm back again.
Okay, welcome back, Steve.
This is the last invite I'm gonna ever get. Steve Blaine is gone again.
I'm looking for a short, Steve.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good here, man. I mean, I'm red anyway, so what does it matter? You know,
I
red
went-
$100, the same as green.
I went red myself. I got caught in some chop.
Yeah.
Come on, baby, flush it.
Flush it, huh?
That would be my sincerest hope.
We'll try the long.
Of course you will.
Back up into the 30s, high 30s.
I have a stop at 32.50. I might get tagged, and if I do, then I'm done with the action.
That's a very precise area.
We try to be precise.
Well, 37.
I see a bear flag forming. I don't know what you see.
Not really, man. I see. So here, let me see if I can expand this a little. Move
Sure.
some stuff. So you got like a whatever you want to call it, right? Like a flag here, a pole flag here. It could be another push up higher. This consolidation, 50, 14, so 40 points. So we're like basically at like 30, 40% of this consolidation sitting in here. If it's holding, it can just propel higher. Try to, take out 50s again.
Come on, baby.
And it also could completely collapse into the, low 500s.
I would like to
490s.
go under 500, man.
Yeah, I mean, there's something to be said for it to collapse into the 490s. The only thing, I mean, it's kind of just following NVIDIA today, and NVIDIA's got another nice flag forming to the bull side.
Yeah, I'm getting tagged right here, I do believe. I narrowly avoided it right there, guys.
You're not out of it yet. That might have been it.
I think my stop was the correct place, so I didn't get tagged out. That's great. Come on, baby. Flush this thing. Flush it straight down.
Yeah, it's coming.
Come on.
Well, negative
Order
25, negative 50, it's all the
Okay.
same, right?
I made a little bit right there. But I
Order
still
filled.
think that we have farther to drop.
Order filled.
So it's all coming down to the open range high right here, this gray line, guys, basically where my entry is. Come on. I think we can flush, man.
Does it go clockwise or counterclockwise?
I have no idea.
You know, in Australia, it goes counterclockwise.
I've never been to Australia, so I can't speak on that.
Either have I. That's just what they said in The Simpsons one time.
Oh, sick.
You're like, whatever, dude. Go disappear again.
Yeah, go disappear and sabotage somebody else. I want to break under 500, man. That's what I would like to do. That might be a tall order. We shall see.
Man, I feel sorry for any options players today. Jeez.
Oh, they're getting cut up both ways.
Yeah. If you didn't grab the move in the morning, you're cooked.
Can we do the thing here?
Nope, punched my ticket.
I'm trying to drag this. Maybe I should have taken the profit right there. We'll see. I think it can keep bleeding, though.
Huh. Well, how long are you going to stay on, man?
We got to do one more horse race when I'm out of this trade.
Everybody just waiting on Gary.
Yep, waiting on Gary. That's what we're doing here.
Waiting on Gary to give that free money.
Story of my life, man. I don't know. I still think we got lower. I'm going to let this sit a minute.
Really?
I really do, man. I mean, I think that we're going to get a big flush under this open range here. Do you disagree?
50-50 shot, man.
Thank you for the confidence.
You got NVIDIA right at support, looking like it really wants to make a push up to like 182.
F NVIDIA.
And it could also fall down to 180. I mean, it's basically the same damn chart as this.
So basically, we're moving with NVIDIA today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like in direct unison. So, well, yeah, that's pretty dull, man.
I don't know, man. I think I'm going to get it.
Where are you targeting?
Under 500.
Under 5?
I would, yes. Come on, baby. I am on this next little flush going to go ahead and put my stop in the profit. Chris said before he loses cell reception in the desert, he's picking horse 1. Get your screenshot, Chris, just in case you do lose reception, brother. Man, I'm looking for a flush, like a big one. But at the same
Try
time,
one more. We're going to try a long. One more time.
I got to stop in place, so I'm risking $250.
Risk it for the biscuit.
That's what I do every day, man. For a living. Come on, baby.
We might have been wrong at the wrong time.
Got to stop right in the profit here, so I'm not risking anything. I'll make some money.
Order filled.
All right, I made a little bit of money right there. We entered some choppy price action. So let's do a horse race and then get out of here, guys. Let me rig up the track here. You all want number one? Is that what we're doing? All right, don't worry, guys. We're getting the track together. All right, everybody's picking horse one, it seems. I'll do what I can for them.
Be a man for the people, Gary.
I am, dog. All right. Let me adjust the track for you guys here. All right. Here we go, guys. $500 for horse number one. This is your last chance to put your picks in on the day. All right. The screenshots should be in. Here we go, and they're off. Let's go, number one, baby. Come on. Everybody's going to get paid besides me today.
Damn, Gary. Holy crap, I saved my day.
Come on, baby. Let's go, number one. Let's go, number one. Up. Number one is the winner. Steve's like, mother effer.
Wait, what happened?
Number one won.
I can't hear you. You keep cutting out.
Number one is the winner.
You prank caller? What happened? You keep cutting out.
Oh, my God.
How much did we just give away, man? There's like 10, 15 people that picked number one.
We just gave away thousands of dollars, Steve.
Yeah, like $7,500.
All right, well, if you don't have an account, guys, you better buy one right now if you pick number one to get that free $500 in it.
Yeah, we're gonna get all the tickets. Obviously, there's tons of tickets. Everybody can see somebody picked number one. So just give us a little bit of time to get through them as they come in today. But we'll get you all squared away before next session. So just everybody have a little bit of patience because there's going to be like 20 coming in.
No patience.
None. I want it now. Like
All
JG Wentworth. It's my money. I want it now.
All right, guys. Well, send me your screenshots that you picked horse number one, and then send it in to the Halcyon support ticket. If you have an account, they'll put the money in your account. If you don't have one, basically you got 10 minutes to get the account and hurry and put it in there. I don't know what to tell you. But thank you guys. This was a very fun stream. So I'm small red overall in the day, like $1,000. I'm okay with that. That's trading. I entered some choppy price action, and that's just how it is, guys. But I do think the short is coming. So I will see you guys in a bit.
Thanks for having me. Thanks, everybody. Have
Thanks,
a great day,
guys.
guys.
Order filled. Order filled.